Hi everybody, and welcome to a new lesson on English Online. Today we're going to talk about linking words that express or link two clauses with a cause and effect relationship. Let's go to the board. So the first word we have today is because, which should always be followed by a subject. In this example, Sam didn't go to school. We can say because. So this is a subordinating conjunction. It should always be followed by a subject. So because this is a subject, he was sick. So this is a cause. Why? So because of, which is a compound preposition, should be followed by a gerund or a noun. In this case, we can say because of his sickness, right? This is a noun. Or we can use the gerund form of a verb, because of being sick, okay? Sam didn't go to school. Okay? Or you could use it in the middle of the sentence by saying Sam didn't go to school because of his sickness, or Sam didn't go to school because of being sick. Both ways work just fine. You could use something like due to plus gerund or plus noun. So in the gerund case, you can say due to smoking, which is a gerund, due to smoking, people get sick. Or you can say people get sick due to smoking. So it can be used at the beginning of a sentence or in the middle. Or you could use it with a noun. He divorced his wife due to family problems. Okay? He divorced his wife due to family problems. And this is usually used to express a negative cause. And in order to express a positive cause, we use something like thanks to, okay, with a gerund or a noun, just the same way as due to. You can say, thanks to studying very hard, I scored really well in the quiz. Or, if you want to use it in the middle of the sentence with a noun, we've raised $130,000 thanks to your help and donations. It can be used this way with a noun, or it can be used with a gerund. And as I said, it's the opposite of due to because it helps us to express a positive cause. We can use a word to express the same cause and effect relationship, like as a result plus a subject. So she prepared well for the exam. She prepared really hard. She studied really hard. So semicolon, as a result, she passed with flying colors. She passed the exam with flying colors. Or therefore plus subject. Tom hadn't slept well. This is the cause. So what is the effect? So therefore, he felt very tired. Therefore, he felt very tired. Another word you can use to express the same relationship is thus plus subject. So they love fish, semicolon, thus, they always buy it. They like it, so they always buy it. For example, I like football, thus I always watch it, or I always go to the stadium to watch it. And the last word we have is consequently. So James lost all his money in gambling. He gambled it away in gambling. So James lost all his money in gambling. Consequently, he became very poor. Okay, so these 8 words can be used in this way, in this form, in order to express a cause and effect relationship. I hope this lesson was very easy for you and simple. If you liked it, please make sure to press like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.